Karong buwan sa Oktubre, it's all about going big. Mutabang with a big heart, magsaulog sa big victory, o building big for the next generation. Ang atong brothers and sisters sa Zamboanga nakasinati og kagubot. Tabangan nato sila to rise up once again and rebuild their city. Tungod sa logistic constraints, ang best way nga makatabang tanila is through monetary gift. Ibalik nato ang katawa sa ilang mga beautiful faces, tabangan nato sila to renew their hope. Make a difference and show them God's great love. Hungry for change? Thirsty for something big? Then prepare yourselves for another Victory Weekend this November 29 to 30. It's about time that you experience a glorious weekend, so register now at the Get Connected booth. See you there! Be part of something meaningful, something bigger than ourselves, and something that will impact the next generation, something that lasts. Let's help build for the next generation. Build to last the completion. Fill out the pledge card for the Victory Cebu Building Project Phase 2. Together, let us build to last as we honor God and make disciples.